So good to know information for you folks. There is a particular altitude map. Nubra Valley falling under 10,000 feet. Pangong So and Khardungla is lying under a bit higher side. You can see that Khardungla is falling under 18,000 feet above the sea level. So basically we have plans to visit Khardungla. Through Khardungla will be moving towards Nubra Valley. However, Somordi lies on the other side. Very good morning everyone. Day 2 of our journey here in Leh. So yesterday it was a very good stay. Currently we are residing at a place called Old Road. So our hotel is located in Old Road, and right now we are moving towards a place called Hall of Fame. So basically our today's itinerary is like we'll be going to like 3 to 4 places here for local sightseeing. So let's get started. So finally reached the Hall of Fame. Currently heading towards the Hall of Fame. So here we are, finally arrived at the Hall of Fame.
तेरहवीं बटालियन का जम्मू एंड कश्मीर राइफल के कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा को दिया गया। कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा जिन्हें एक और नाम से जाना जाता है, सबको नहीं पता, जिन्हें एक और नाम से जाना जाता है। इतना जोश लोगों ने देश के लिए जान कुर्बान कर दिया और हमारी आवाज नहीं निकल रही।
25 years of Kargil War, and today here we are 2024 at this place called Hall of Fame. And when we come here, it feels extremely good, paying our utmost respect to all those soldiers that have fought for our country during that period in the Kargil War. And here we are knowing the tales of those brave hearts that have paid their tribute for our country, and it feels good to be here. So here we again heading towards a place called Sangam, where it's the combination of Zanskar and Indus River, approximately 40 kilometers from Leh. Currently heading towards that location. Stay tuned. Finally we have reached Sangam, approximately 10,000 feet above the sea level. This is a particular place called Sangam, and here you can see that there is a combination of two rivers. There is the Zanskar river and this is the Indus river. This is the meeting point in which the two rivers meet. This location is very extremely beautiful. That's the viewpoint. So finally done here with the sightseeing of Sangam. I have spotted a nice map in which you can check. So this is the Leh from which today we have come till Sangam point. We have plans to move towards Khardungla and Nubra Valley day after, and eventually to Pangong Lake. But the direction from Nubra Valley to Pangong Lake falls in the other side. That is basically the point. Hi, want to say something?
Hello guys, so finally we are here today at Sangam. As you can see, basically the Sangam, its name is just because two rivers join here. As you can see, two colors. I don't know whether you can see or not, but two rivers they come and join here. So it's basically Sangam. That means join. Two rivers, they are Janskar and Indus. So you can see like it's very beautiful and it's very sunny today. Yeah, we know that Leh is mostly known for its cold temperature, but today it's really very hot. So let's see.
Also a good to know information. The world's highest rafting point is this place, Sangam. You can see this beautiful raft, all set up to be covered from this particular region. Done with the sightseeing of Sangam Point. Now heading straight to Leh. On the way from Sangam Point to Leh, you'll be getting a place called Magnetic Hills, in which you'll be able to find the effects of magnetic field. Great time to visit Leh Ladakh is in the month of April, May, considering the weather conditions are a bit on the better side, and also less amount of like coldness. So currently heading away back to Leh. We'll be updating you everything on the same. Stay tuned. So last video today, video ends here. This is the last location that I've come. Currently at the top of a cliff. It's a monastery on the way to Leh. It was a great day indeed. And from tomorrow onwards, we'll start the Dars Ladakh expedition and exploration of high passes as we move towards Nubra Valley through the Khardungla Pass. Hope you all are having a great day. Till then, take care.